Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Proxy Sales, bro. And today in this video, man, I just want to thank y'all, bro. We hit 1,000 subscribers in my Telegram chat, and I couldn't be more grateful for that, bro. This YouTube channel has got about 500 subscribers, so thank y'all for that as well, bro. And that's what I really just wanted to come on here and explain to y'all. I really do appreciate y'all, because a lot of y'all that really know me know that I did fall off for a long time. I was so down with what I was doing that I couldn't really do it no more. And now that I've done picked it back up and I work hard when it's not even fun no more. That's when you get better at something, is when you work hard when it's not fun. That's how you know that you're getting better at something, bro. Like, I just really appreciate y'all so much, man. I know the stuff that I post, the stuff that we do, it's not necessarily something that's, great, but who really set the standards of the world anyway, bro? Like, I'm so grateful for all y'all, man. Like, y'all have helped pick me back up, and I've helped put so many of y'all on to so much stuff that's helped y'all make money and better y'all's lives and stuff like that. And I honestly and truthfully appreciate y'all. So thank y'all so much, and I'm finna give y'all some free sites, man. Now, these are some valid cheesecake sites, by the way. So if you need help with any of them, now look, if you don't know how to buy CCs, because a lot of people know there's a certain way you need to buy them, hit me up. It's $30 all day. It's no longer $50 for all day, and tomorrow it's $30 from now on, as a way to celebrate, because $50 is a pretty big price tag for somebody just wanting to get into it and learn it and still be able to buy some CC's cheesecake. So if y'all do need help, because I promise if you go on these sites that I know on what you're doing, you will get dead cards, and I promise I'm not taxing $30. Ask anybody. That's not taxing at all. That's way below average, and I'm just trying to help put y'all on, man. So y'all just let me know. So here's some sites for y'all, bro. Y'all know there's a basic one up there that a lot of people know of, but then at the bottom there's one with some extra special logs on there if y'all want to get into those, you feel me? But hey, man, I've been Proxy Sales. I see you guys in my Telegram chat, and I'm so grateful for every single one of y'all, bro. Thank y'all so much, and I really appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. See you on my Telegram chat. Bye bye.